how do you maximize the profit? Okay, the strategy to do that is called DCA out. Okay, which means when the price of your trade of the coin or the token you are holding, when the price rise to a certain level, you sell a percentage, you sell some percentage, and when it rises to another level, you sell some percentage. And that is how you can, that is the strategy you can use, a less risky strategy that you can use to maximize the profit, or to make to gain more in your trade. Okay, you won't want to lose out on the coin that is rising, that keep rising. Okay, because it hurt after selling it, you discover that it keep rising. So how do you do that? Let's assume this is your first profit. Let's say at this level you want to sell, or maybe 50%, and at this level you want to sell the remaining percent. So how do you do that? You come to your platform, your trading, go to the market, the spot market, and it is not buy, it is going to be sell. So in this case, we are using limit order. So you are saying that the first price is, you are saying when the price of Solana hits $78.28, you want to sell 50%. Okay, let's put it here, $78.28. I want to sell 50% of my trade. Then once you have imputed the data, like the price at which you want to sell and the percentage you want to sell, basically it should be 50%, although it must not be 50%, depend on how you want to manage your risk. Okay, so if we sell 50%, you click on 50%, so it means you have an open order to sell for 50% of your token, of your trade, at $78.28. Okay, now what will happen to the next one? On the next level that we want to take profit is at 83.42. So you come again and impute 83.42. You claim this 83.42. Okay, at 83.42, I want to sell, in this case, the remaining one, which is 100%. Okay, if you are selling 100%, once you have entered the amount, the price at which you want to sell, okay, and you are interested in selling 100%, you come to this place, click on sell. Okay, once you click on sell, then you have your trade has been, you have placed a selling order, and once the price hits that level, it will sell.